Good evening, everybody. Good morning, hello, good afternoon, whenever you watch this. We made it. It is the end of 2019. We have made it the full year, all 12 months. I hope it was as eventful for you as it was for me. So I just wanted to recap first, get into this hair. Had these knotless braids in for about 2 weeks. Shorty been out here looking real cute, real John-ish, you know? Totally giving John vibes. I got these done locally here in Philly by an artist by the name of Ziggy. I will put her Instagram information in the description box if you're interested in getting your knotless braids done by her. Amazing. And let me tell y'all, these, y'all seen how thick my hair is, right? They took 4 hours. Only 4 hours. Get into it. Anyway, let's talk about 2019. It started out rough. For me personally. I don't know about y'all, but 2019 was a doozy, okay? If it weren't for it being so rough, I do not think I would have pushed myself as hard as I did with my business. I literally have been working hair oils for a decade, and I never thought about making it an LLC. I never thought about making it official, and this was the year. It's official. I'm a business owner. It's official. That's all I can say. It's the start of things. I'm not saying that I was expecting like money to roll in, or I kept my expectations not low, but realistic. And I think that is why I'm so happy, because usually with me, I like to quit if things don't go quickly, you know? But I gave myself time. I gave myself the same patience and the same grace that I would give any other person on this planet. Very understanding with other people, but for myself, I give myself so much pressure that I end up quitting. Not this time, sis. Sis got an LLC. Not only that, sis has been working on music. Because not only does she create oils and body butters, do art, sing, dance, whatever. This right here is a whole creative. I'm just saying. So, again, I'm going to put my link in the bio of all my music in the description box. And if you notice, the music in the background of all the other videos is me. You know, I'm trying to work this thing out. I'm trying to monetize myself. So, if you haven't yet, subscribe. And follow me on all the platforms that are in the description box. 2019. What can I say? Girl, I am so happy that you are leaving us. I'm so happy that you're gone. If you guys are watching this in 2020. 2020, girl, come have a seat. I'm waiting for you. I'm ready. Let's sit down, let's chat. Let's be successful. Let's make sure our kids are straight. Let's keep building this generational thing. This generational wealth, health, success. Let's keep doing it for ourselves, so that way we're never in a bind. Like we were in 2019, amen? If you get it, you got it. And if you know, you know. So I am very happy to say that everything that I've done with not only the support of true friends, but with sheer will and determination. When I tell you, at this point in my life, is the lowest point that I've been in financially, is the lowest point that I've been in mentally, and possibly physically. At the beginning of 2019, I was hitting about 230 pounds. About 230 pounds. Now your girl is under 200 with the help of a trainer that I decided to go to for 12 months straight. I'm gonna put her information in the description box below. See, I got a lot of people to thank, and I'm really happy about that, because there were times in previous years where I thought I was all alone. But all it took was for me to get out there, put myself out there, and show people that I was willing to do the work. I think that is the biggest lesson that I learned in 2019. I have to show not only other people, but myself that I can do the work. If I do the work and I'm consistent and I'm put myself in a place of discipline, there's no way that I could lose. Absolutely no way. It just is what it is. It's really that simple. And I don't want to rant about how if I could do it, you could do it too kind of video. But really, that's what it is. I am one of those people where I feel like, why not me before? And then one day it just clicked. It was just like, why not me? If I do what I'm supposed to do to get what I want or to get the things that I need, why not me? And sure enough, the universe provided. God provided. Yahweh provided. Allah provided. Whomever you pray to, whomever you believe in, know that it's not just you. Whoever you believe in provides the people, places, things, opportunities, thoughts, action. I most certainly couldn't have done any of this on my own, but I had to believe in myself to get it done. Now, I hope that you guys understand that moving forward, as we go into 2020, into a new decade, I really want y'all to understand that it really just takes your train of thought, your belief system, and your willpower to get things done. As you start to get things done, the right people will gravitate towards you. I promise you this. I promise you this in 2020 because I promised myself this in 2019 and moving forward. If you're on social media and social media doesn't bring you ideas or foster joy or help you think good thoughts, it's time to start following different people. That's it. Or it's time to go to a different social media platform or none at all. In short, I really do hope that this decade brings you everything that you've asked for, everything that you wanted, plus some. I also pray that whatever makes you happy, you get. Because the energy that I'm giving out, I like to see people happy. I like to see people successful. Because you know what? When people are successful around me and happy around me, I become successful and happy. It's just the way it works. It's like magic, really. Stay tuned for more videos. Stay tuned for more music. Stay tuned for more products, merchandise, apparel, body butters, hair oil, and hair progress. Because without my hairstylist, present day, name will be in the description box. I'd probably not have any edges, and I for damn sure wouldn't have any length, and I wouldn't have all this new growth. I just got my hair colored, y'all. Y'all saw it, what, 2 months ago? That's all I'm saying. So, with that being said, I hope you all have a safe and happy new year. Have a safe, happy, healthy, wealthy, prosperous, manifested 2020 and beyond. I love you all. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And I'll see you soon.